So, you've heard the buzz about Acorn, right? That app promising to magically turn your spare change into a growing investment portfolio. But how do you actually get started? Let's dive in. Imagine waking up one day and finding your couch cushions overflowing with cash. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Acorn is kind of like that, except it's your digital couch cushions, and instead of cash, you're growing a potential investment. Now, I know what you're thinking. Setting up an account? It's probably a long, boring process, right? Wrong. Acorn has made it incredibly simple. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Download the app. First things first, you need the Acorn app. Head to your App Store, that's the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and the Google Play Store for Android folks. Search for Acorn and download the app. It's usually the green one with the Acorn logo, can't miss it. Step 2. Create your account. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. You'll be greeted with a warm welcome screen. Tap Sign Up or something similar. You'll typically need to provide a few basic details, your name, email address, and a strong password. Think of something memorable, but not too memorable, we don't want your grandma guessing it. Step 3. Link your bank account. This is where the magic starts to happen. Acorn needs to know where to pull your spare change from. Tap on the link bank option and follow the prompts. You'll usually be asked to verify your identity, so have your ID ready. Don't worry, your information is safe. Acorn uses top-notch security. Step 4. Choose your investment plan. Acorn offers a few different investment plans to suit different risk tolerances and goals. You can start with a basic plan and upgrade later if you want. Take some time to read about the different options. Remember, investing involves risk, so choose a plan that aligns with your comfort level. Step 5. Round UPS and extra features. This is where Acorn really shines. You can set up roundups, which means every purchase you make gets rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference is invested. It's like finding extra change in your pocket every day, but instead of spending it on gum, you're growing your wealth. Acorn also offers other features like Found Money, where you can earn cash rewards for shopping at partner stores. It's like getting paid to shop. Step 6. Set and forget. The beauty of Acorn is that it's hands-off. Once you've set up your account, linked your bank, and chosen your plan, you can pretty much forget about it. Your spare change is automatically invested, and your portfolio grows over time. Step 7. Monitor your progress. While you don't need to check your Acorn account daily, it's good to keep an eye on your progress. The app provides easy-to-understand charts and graphs, so you can see how your investments are growing. It's always satisfying to watch your money multiply. And there you have it. Setting up an Acorn account is as easy as that. It's a small step that can lead to big rewards over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if you don't see massive returns overnight. Consistency is key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.